Hi, welcome to a two-part series on eliminating and reducing mid-back pain. My name is Dr. Lindsay Anglen. I have a Facebook page that is devoted to helping people be younger, stronger, healthier, enjoy life more fully. Most of it is about nutrition, and that's what I sell. I sell nutritional counseling that's targeted based upon a person's individual blood work and standard blood tests. But I'm also doing other topics because I've been a chiropractor, a medical doctor, an acupuncturist, my undergraduate degrees in nutrition, a competitive athlete, and I've had a request to create some information on eliminating and reducing mid-back pain. And that's what this two-part video series is on. There is almost nothing that can make us look more immediately youthful than having a strong, healthy mid-back. If you have aged your skin and your skin looks very old, people have to get pretty close to see the lines and the wrinkles. But across a football field, people can see if you look old, because as we age, we all tend to collapse forward with an anterior head and look old this way. And part of that is because we get tight in the chest and weak in the back. There's two main reasons. We tighten up in the chest and our back muscles get weak. And so this two-part video series is addressed at correcting that, because if we go from looking slumped to standing tall, we immediately look 10 to 20 years younger, and people can see it across a football field. This will work even if you're sitting most of the time. A lot of us, when we sit at a computer or something, we get slumped over and we get mid-back pain. So the first thing that you can do to reduce this immediately is to lift, to stand tall. And so you don't want to try to stand tall, because it takes a lot of muscular effort and it will fatigue you and it will be counterproductive. So instead you want to let your body rise. And the way to do that is to get a little bit meditative. Get your imagination going and imagine your head is like a helium balloon, like a Mylar birthday balloon, and just let it rise and lift and float. Let your head float and pull your whole body up, and your posture will tend to be very good, and it will reduce that mid-back pain. The average head weighs about 10 pounds, about like a bowling ball. And if I was bowling and I'm holding the bowling ball like this, it's not that heavy. If I hold it way out at arm's length, it gets heavy quick, and my arm gets tired. Likewise, if you have good posture, your head is fairly weightless. But when you slump and bend forward, the head is being held out, and the mid-back muscles get really tired trying to hold it up. And so you want to, when you find yourself slumping, get a little meditative. Imagine your head's like a helium balloon, and just let your head rise. Just let your head lift, floating. Don't try to do it, just let your head lift. Here it is, we're kind of collapsed. My head's forward, I'm putting strain on my upper back. And then I just let my head rise like a helium balloon. I'm now going to show you an exercise that is, I just call it a marching knee step. You're going to bring one knee up towards your opposite shoulder, and then your other knee up towards the opposite shoulder while standing tall, your arms swinging lightly in the opposite direction. This is also a really good core exercise for your abdominal muscles and your psoas, which can help your low back pain. And you just simply will bring one knee towards the opposite shoulder across your body while swinging your arms. I don't know, maybe work up to 100 of these in the morning. And then from this, I like to progress to a stretching exercise that will use a little pillow device on the floor to help open up your spine. And I'm going to show you that now. This is just an improvised pillow device that I use that just makes my mid-back feel wonderful. To open it up, sometimes it pops it, but I'm not trying it to. It is just a roll type pillow. And then I've taken a really soft blanket and kind of folded it up. And I just lay it over it. And then I just kind of position my mid-back wherever it feels comfortable over the pillow. And I just lay here. Take some deep breaths, wiggle a little bit, relax. That combined with the helium head, the marching knee step thingy I showed you. Often you do that in the morning, or you do that if you start getting a little pain, and you'll feel immediately better. Just gone, pain gone.